And finally, this evening, the South African rand weakened on Wednesday due to mixed global economic indicators and a stronger dollar following a report showing a 0.3% contraction in US GDP for the first quarter. Now, the dollar rose about 0.25% against other currencies, while the rand traded at 18.62 against the dollar, down about 0.4% from Tuesday. Additionally, private sector credit growth slowed to 3.45% year-on-year in March. Now, on the local bourse, the JSE All Share and the Top 40 Index both gained 0.30%, driven by a 0.37% rise in the Industrial 25, despite a 0.32% decline in the financial sector. Stock market analyst Mshima Gama shares insights on today's market trends.
So in a third attempt to get it right, our Finance Minister, Enoch Godongwana, has now announced the new budget speech will now be delivered on the 21st of May, 2025. As you may all know, our Finance Minister was sent back to the drawing board after 2 rejected proposals to increase VAT by 2%. He was actually taken to court by the EFF and DA, and needless to say, VAT is back at 15%. Finance Minister says that the National Treasury has commenced work on developing a fiscal framework that is aimed to stabilize debt and to strengthen our country's public finances. He says that this new budget speech will adhere to adjustments in technical processes as per the money bills, which allocate public money for particular purposes. And this includes formal consultation with Fiscal and Finance Commission, thorough consultation with the other political members of the GNU, as well as cabinet approval before presenting it to Parliament, which is something that I believe they should have done initially, because it would have saved the country a couple of millions, because apparently this whole escapade has cost the country 2.3 million rands. If the murmurs are true, this new fiscal policy will not, or this new budget speech will not include increasing taxes, because that would be detrimental to economic growth as well as jobs. Now, the market all-share index hasn't really reacted to these news. It has been pretty flat, but this could be because a lot of people are on holiday due to the public holidays. But it's worthy to know that as of today, the all-share index has tested all-time highs, which is good for our pension funds. The rand weakened marginally. It's kind of ranging between 1850 and 1865. So, you know, it's probably best to see how the market will react from next week, because everyone would then be back from the public holidays. For now, the all-share index is just merely mimicking, as per usual, mimicking what the overseas markets are doing.